What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisper. I told you I was gonna make some YouTubes if we start crashing, and that's what we're doing. So let's go check it out. Let's see what's happening in the market. Here we are, guys. It's moving. We're live. This is the 1 minute chart. 42. You see it going. You see how we already been bleeding. This is the minute chart. We've been bleeding and falling since we had hit a high of $1.48. Actually, let me zoom out for you so you can see that our descending pattern. Yep. There we are. That's your 148. Ever since then, April 7th, that was our high. We've been tanking. The lowest I got it at was $1.25. $1.25 April 7th at 7:30. So that was your low. So it already went down to $1.25. So let's see what's going on now. So right here, this is a swing indicator, and basically tells you how to do a swing, like what level to what level is a good swing on this 1 minute chart. And right now, they're saying $1.29. You could go ahead and get that and hold it and flip it basically to $1.34. But this is a 1 minute chart, guys. I don't fall in love with this at all, and especially not in crypto. This is just to show you the movement as it going. You know what I mean? It's live action right now. But what would the Green Dot Whisperer do, and what am I going to do, actually? Because I do want to buy some more algo, especially if it's going to fall and get cheaper for me. So let's get out of here. So crypto is more like a 1 hour thing. That's where I would start first. So, 1 hour, we're actually in bullish territory. We dipped under the histogram already. I told you once we touch the histogram, either up or down, it's a big move. Over here, you saw it touch. And look at that. These were your biggest candles. This was the touch, the biggest candle. So just proving the strategy works either way, up or down. So yeah, 1 hour is bearish already. Passed through that histogram, underneath bubble, momentum wave. So let's see what the 4 hour tells us. Here we go. This tells me we have more to drop. This histogram right here. Yep, about to touch, about to make it slide. This little swing indicator has it at $1.27. Still not cheap enough. That's going to fall more. So let's take a longer term view on what's about to happen. Go to 8 hour. See, we're still up there. I mean, and these are divergences right here. So yeah. Yep, that's a slight diversion, bearish diversion. But on the wave oscillator is definitely divergence right here. So what I wanted to point out here, let's see, the swing indicator is saying $1.23. That went down a little bit lower. But let's just go ahead to the day chart, because this is the pattern I'm seeing. See another bearish divergence here on the wave oscillator on the 8 hour chart. Let's go even higher. Let's see if a 12 hour got it. 12 hour got it. All right. So the pattern continues. So if the 12 hour got it, that kind of is going to tell the Green Dot Whisperer that on the day chart, we're going to get a red dot on the day chart. And just like we celebrate the green dot on the day chart on Algo, you should kind of get ready for the red dot, because the green dot on the day chart is a powerful signal. And yeah, we usually get a nice little run up. I mean, from past experience, we've been experienced run ups on green dots on the day chart for Algo, anywhere from 10 to 30%, honestly. So can we do the same on the sell side? Yes, the same thing could happen on the sell side. So, but this is what I wanted to point out, because we've been hitting this, and we're going to continue to monitor and hit this as always. So on the way up, when we made the first short-term video, then the second and the third, we hit these take profits, 116, 122, and 144. Now that it's on its way down, I'm going to use those same take profits as different buy levels. These were at before resistance, and now on the way down, they're going to become support. So You saw how the other swing indicators were saying, oh, 120, $1.25, $1.23. Well, I'm gonna get $1.22. I'm gonna wait for that point because that was my first take profit, and that might be an area where it wants to rebound. But even on the day chart on the swing indicator, they have this down at 97 cents, and that's always a grab, and that's happened before. But remember, we've mentioned this plenty of times on this channel for the Algorand community. Algo does not like to be under $1. So if it does, and every single time it did go down to 97, 98, you wouldn't have been able to catch that unless you had a buy limit set. So if you want to be one of those lucky winners right there, you have to set that buy limit in order for it to wick down, catch it, and set it and fill your order. Because just watching the market, it's not going to give you a solid chance to buy it unless it takes a big dive down. Then we might get cheaper prices than 97 cents, which is possible. So it's very possible. But I want you guys to keep your eyes open for these key levels, and I'll continue to give you videos if the momentum trend changes. If we start trending upward and I see the bounce, I'm going to drop a video no matter what time of the day it is. But yeah, I think we should be getting ready for this red dot on the day chart. And the way we get ready is, we allocate a little bit of money on the side. That's what I'm doing personally. It's not financial advice. Do whatever you have to do. Do your own research. You know what I mean? But my journey, I'm going to allocate some of my new money, paycheck money, work money, and get ready to have a nice bag to buy some Algo when it goes down at a cheap price. Hopefully 97 cents. I think I might dabble in trying to get that actually. So, and then stake for the highest APR. Right now, Binance has Algo on the front page of Binance Earn, right? Front page, 15 days, 22 point something percent. Best one out there. Limited time only. So if you're allowed to use Binance overseas, go ahead and use that. I'm not sure if they have it on Binance.us, but if you join Chart Champions, you'll be able to find out all this information because we have people from all over the world in that chat room, and we help each other out, and that's how we know these things. And what I do like about seeing a coin getting staked like that is normally when they get staked like that, it helps the coin maintain their value or even run up because so many people are buying it, staking it because it's such a great APR. So naturally the price goes up with it. So we might see a rebound quicker than we expected. So that's what I'm saying. Like if it gets anywhere close to the dollar range, I'm definitely hawking it and buying because Algo does not like to be under the dollar. And I hope that prepares you guys or laces you up, you know what I mean? And has you better equipped for this crypto war, the stock market war, because we will win this war and come out with money at the end of the day. All right. Green Dot Whisperer signing out. Stay blessed. Get money.